Just like to emphasize yung instruction po ng ating mahal na Pangulo na there is no tsunami warning. Ito po ay walang katotohanan dahil po ang earthquake ay inland. Hindi po possible na magkaroon ng tsunami. So there is no tsunami warning and there is no possibility of having a tsunami. Regarding the actions of concerned agencies, for the Bureau of Fire Protection, we have Fire Senior Superintendent Sophia Bindo.
As of 5 p.m., as to Region 5, it was reported that no damages, injuries, and casualties reported. For Region 6, the BFPR 6 deployed one fire truck with 3 firefighters and rescuers from Cadiz City Fire Station, Negros Occidental, responding to SM Hypermart Cadiz City, Negros Occidental. Extent of damages, some of the lightings were fallen and part of the wall cracked. So they participated in the conduct of visibility inspection. As to the assessment by the Cadiz City engineer that the said structure is safe. They also deployed one fire truck from Molo Fire Substation in Iloilo City, conducting inspection to GT Mall, B Poblacion, Molo, Iloilo City, as they found out that there are cracks on walls and columns. Likewise, sa Robinson's Grocery, Poblacion, Molo, Iloilo City, they found out that the plaster cast wall collapsed as they conduct visibility inspections. Continuation in Region 6, they also deployed one fire truck from the Mandurriao Fire Substation to inspect OR building, Padre Pio Ward, and post-anesthesia care unit building, Western Visayas Medical Center, Mandurriao, Iloilo City. They found out that they have cracks at walls. So they also participated in the conduct of visibility inspection. Continuation, they also deployed 7 fire trucks from Iloilo City Fire Station, conducting inspection at Atrium Mall, General Luna Street, Iloilo City. They found out that there are cracks at glass walls and windows. And another building is the post of Philippine Ports Authority, Loni, Iloilo City. May mga cracks din po as they conducted visibility inspection also. Another response is one fire truck from Himamaylan Fire Station, responding to Pacifica Agrivet Supply and RD Pawn Shop. They found out that there were cracks on the wall and ceiling as they conducted visibility inspection. As to Region 7, wala po kaming reports, considering po na yung aming mga reports are still on the pipeline. They are also experiencing pa rin po yung aftershocks and power outage. And siguro mag-resume po yung kanilang operation as the declaration of the bill. As to Region 8, we have one fire truck with 3 firefighters deployed from Maasin City Fire Station to downtown Maasin City. They conducted also fire truck visibility inspection. No operation done by other line units per radio or telephone. And also the provincial DRRMC Southern data reported cracks sustained by few private establishments such as Novo Department Store and Cindy's in Maasin City, Leyte. As to Region 11, report no damages, injuries, and casualties reported. That's all, sir, for the Bureau of Fire Protection.
Yung needs po ng mga affected localities ay meals ready to eat and water. So yun po ang in-announce ng mga local chief executives na pangangailangan nila doon po sa gustong mag-donate ay ito po ang dapat nilang ibigay dito sa mga affected local government units. Maraming salamat at magandang gabi.